Hey people, welcome to Wok Drop.
Once again. Once again.
Okay, so today we're gonna make 银鱼酸菜炒饭, which means whitebait and pickled vegetables stir-fried rice. And I haven't actually come across this recipe before. It's just a recipe that I really like to make. I'm sure it's been done in China somewhere before. But anyway, let's get into this recipe and let's learn how to make it. A delicate and beautiful dish. So let's get straight into the ingredients. Okay, so 银鱼酸菜炒饭. The ingredients, alright, so we've got 2 beaten eggs, soy sauce, white pepper, a little bit of sea salt, a little bit of chicken stock. This is the pickled vegetables, which are called suancai. You can find in any Chinese supermarket in the West, no problem. And this is whitebait. And of course, rice. So let's get into the cooking process. I'm going to put up on Patreon like the actual cooking process of how I'm doing this stir fry. But you know, if you're not a Patreon member, you can just like cook it like you cook any other stir fry, as in just like mixing it around, turn it over. But if you want to get that, learn how to develop the skill of getting that air and the soft, bouncy, like crisp, like crisp but also succulent rice, you want to learn this technique. Okay, so you can come check us out on Patreon and I'll show you guys how to do that. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to get into this. So you're going to take about 2 tablespoons of oil, add it into your wok, and we're going to wait until this gets really hot. Wait till this oil heats up until it's like smoking. Not yet. So now we can see that the oil's getting a little bit more sort of liquidy. If you start off and you're like, oh, that looks like a little bit, because like the oil obviously expands when you start like heating it up, right? It becomes more watery and expands. If you think you've got too much, just throw it away or put it back. I think I need a little bit more. So now we're starting to get the smoke. We're starting to get the smoke that we talked about before in previous videos, right? Okay, and then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to add the eggs. So in go the eggs and swirl them like this. And wait till the eggs are like kind of like this, like sort of half cooked, like this. And then the rice. And once the rice goes in on top, you can bang it out like this. And after you flipped it a couple of times, you can start to break the egg up like this. Keep flattening out the rice. Keep breaking up the egg, flattening out the rice. Next we can start adding some salt. The stock. And then once again, mix it up. So now we're starting to get this sort of stir-fried rice consistency, right? Next, pickled vegetables first, because it's a heavier ingredient than the fish. The fish is the lightest ingredient, right? Mix that in. white pepper. Second to last, the whitebait. And last of all, a touch of soy, just a touch, to marry everything together. Drop it in. So, there you have it. 英语酸菜炒饭。
That's really good.
What do you think? Do you like it?
It's absolutely fishy. It's good.
Okay, so that's 英语酸菜炒饭. Let me know in the comments what you think about that. I love it. It's just one of my favorite stir-fried rice dishes. So as always, thanks to all of our Patreon members. If it wasn't for you guys, this channel would not be possible. Also, thanks to everybody else for tuning in and watching right through to the end of this video. Leave the comments down the bottom, like, subscribe, and help this channel grow. See you next time on Walk Drop. 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 Can you got that?